Hello to my beautiful ladies out there. Welcome back to my channel. In this channel, you'll be getting beautiful hairstyles, ideas, and inspiration, and even fashion styles, ideas, and inspiration. Please, if you're new to this channel, you're welcome to the family, and to my returning subscribers, I want to say thank you very much. Please, if you're new, do where to like, subscribe, and please don't forget to turn on your notification bell to get to notify anytime I upload the fashion style ideas or hairstyle ideas and inspiration that are trending in 2024. And please don't forget to comment, leave a beautiful comment on the comment section below to tell me your favorite hairstyle in the comment section below. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.